Hello friends, my name is Preet and you are watching Preo and in this video I am going to show you top 12 WhatsApp tricks or simply you can say hidden features. So watch this video till last so you will understand all the WhatsApp tricks. So if you are new to my channel or if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for getting all the notifications, and please share this video as far as possible and please like this video. So let's start the video.
Media visibility. You have seen that many chats or groups are having many videos or photos in that. If you want to download but you do not have any enough space in your mobile, then you can set media visibility as disable. Start messages. If you have any important message or important link, you can start that messages and you can see in your settings as start messages. See opening settings, star messages. You can directly see your starred messages. No need of doing long cut. Font changing. Now you have seen that there is no font in WhatsApp, but by this process you can change your font into bold, italic or into cut format. Put star before and after the text. See, bold and italic. Now cut. See, your font is being changed. This is your normal font. Photo set as. Now if you want to set any photo but you have difficulty in finding photo in your media, so you can do like this. My profile photo group icon. See, you can set any of your group icon or my profile photo also, or your mobile wallpaper. Hide forwarded. Now you have seen that if you forward any messages, it comes as forwarded. See, forwarded. For hiding that message, you want to copy that message and paste that message on any icon or chat. See, your forwarded is been hide. Now if you forward any photo, it comes as forwarded, but while going in your media and clicking that photo, then hide that forwarded. Now as you can see, your forwarded is been hidden. Now next is admin settings. By these settings you can do admin settings such as edit group info. Only admins can change the group info, or send messages. Only admins can send messages. Now next is send option. You have seen that there is a next line option on your bottom right corner, but by going in settings, enter send messages, then you can directly send your messages without doing next line. Now next is theme changing. If you are bored with light theme, then you can set a dark theme by going in settings, then chats, then theme, then you can set dark theme. See, all your WhatsApp is been changed into dark theme as you can see over here. Status, calls and all of this is changed into a dark theme. Now next, font size. If you are bored with your medium font size, then you can set your size as big. See, now your font size is very big. Now by this you can set small. See, now your font size is very small. Now next is your photo download and video download. you have seen that if you are new to WhatsApp, your photos and videos start downloading automatically. But by these settings, if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on, your auto download photos or videos will be disabled. Now, notifications visibility. If you are bored with anyone, then if you want to hide that notifications, then you can hide that notifications for 8 hours, 1 week or 1 year. Then that person will not disturb you. Now, notifications options. Now by that option, if any chat or any group notifications will come, then you can hear that notification by default notification tone. You can also select pop-up notification by default pop-up, or when screen is on or off, or always. Now whenever any message will come, it will directly pop up on your screen. You can also reply him or her. Thanks for watching the video.